Meet Jerry. Jerry, like most people these days, dreams of one thing and one thing only.
I want to be rich. I want to be famous.
Also known as Juicy Jezza, Jerry is a hopeful X Factor auditionee and believes that not only does he have the X Factor, but however, has something just that little bit more special. He has the J Factor.
I believe I'm the next big thing, and I've dreamt of being a singer since I was young. I want all the success in the world. I want to be as big as Mariah, Whitney, Brookstein, the fat one in Steps. I want to be a star.
Now, Jerry hasn't always had the easiest life. In fact, a couple years ago, he described as the worst days of his life.
My dad's dream was always to sing. That's all he wanted to do. And his voice, amazing. But sadly, last year he had an accident at work. So yeah, he lost both his hands, which means he could no longer hold a microphone. So yeah, I'm doing it for him, really.
We will be following Jerry on his path to fame and gain insight into his X Factor audition, where we'll see if he can impress the big man, Simon Cowell. Will he make it into boot camp? Will he finish writing his debut album Liquid Sex? Will he become the superstar he dreams to be?
It means a lot to me. I've been singing since I left the womb. You know, I've got the X Factor. I just know it, you know? We've got the X Factor!
It's the day of the audition, and nerves are starting to get the better of Jerry.
Ah, you must be Jerry from Devon.
Yes, Donald, that's me.
I'm pleased to meet you. So how are you feeling?
Actually, you know what? Nerves are getting the better of me right now.
Actually, Jerry, that's your cue. Off you go for it. That was Jerry from Devon.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Job to job to grow, God lost you away.
So that's Jerry from Devon. Let's have a listen.
But it hasn't been anyone, or even you're here, well, I'll be there for you.
Interesting song choice. So here he is. How did it go?
Really, really well. I think I really hit the high notes. I think Shazza really liked it. Anyway, mustache.
It's been 2 weeks since Jerry's rejection from the X Factor, and we thought we'd catch up with him and see how he's coping.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't expecting you. Come in. Mum, put the kettle on. Oh, she's not here. Anyway, where should we go? Oh, sorry about that. Where's the light on? Oh, it was already on. Sorry. Anyway, how are you? Oh, wow, don't talk to me then. You're talkative. Anyway, come in here. Go to the kitchen.
So, how's your life been since the audition?
Oh, you know, being an edgy, misunderstood artist has its ups and downs. Mostly, dare I say, it's been a bit of a roller coaster ride of emotions, to be honest. Yeah, the family's been arguing a bit recently about who's going to get some of the money when I'm famous, who's going to get to hang out with me and like all my famous friends. I've got a fair bit of fame hunched over my shoulder.
Excuse me, sorry, could you just remove your glasses, please? You want to...
Excuse me.
Not very...
Do you know who I am?
Well, yes, I do.
Yeah, I'm Jerry Funk, the first person to ever sing the Friends
we understand
song,
that,
the X
sorry,
Factor.
but we just...
I'm not taking off my glasses. I'm not going to take them off.
You need to
Okay,
take them off,
I'm not
yeah.
going to take off my glasses. Yeah, so I've got a fair bit of fame hunched over my shoulder. Pardon the pun. So I've also been working on some dancing. I've been working on one recently specifically called The Secret Life of a Cat, and we're actually going to show it to you now, okay? So there's that. I've also been working on a song also called The Secret Life of a Cat to kind of go with it, you know. Whoa, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, whoa. Yeah. Yeah. I've had loads of fans run up to me in the street telling me they love my comedic side and charm.
Is this all a joke?
I get loads of free stuff, the people love me. I even sold the first copy of A Liquid Sex. It's been great. And I've even had loads of people say, oh my god, hi! Yeah? Oh my god, yeah! Oh my god, yeah! Yeah, that would be amazing! Thank you so much. I'll be there, thank you. Thank you, yeah, get in touch with my agent, and yeah, okay, thank you. Bye, thank you. Good. That was Butlins. They want me to do an evening performance, so, you know, other X Factor personalities have been there, that really famous one, I can't remember his name, but, you know, like, famous people go there, like, if you go to Butlins, you know you're famous. So, basically I've made it. Let's celebrate! Woo!
Cast a spell on me. You hit me like the sky fell on me. And I decided you look well on me. So let's go somewhere no one else can see you and me. Turn the lights out now. Now I'll take you by the hand. Hand you another drink. Drink it if you can.
Where's my wallet? Seriously, if you got my wallet, it's not even funny. Give it back. Oh my god. Where is it?
Does Jerry make enough money to get to his first gig? Does he make it to Butlins in time? Or does it all get too long?